Here's our current situation. We made a lot of progress. Sorry I didn't film everything, but there are definitely videos out there. I'll link some for how to get to this point. But we got a bit of an issue, and I don't know if anybody else has run into this or if I did something wrong. I'm about to hopefully find out. But the headers are fully seated as far as I can tell. I can kind of wiggle the piss out of them, and they don't move. Now, I do not have the bolts tightened yet, so I'm going to do that before I do anything else here. But I mean, this feels pretty solid. The whole system is held together with springs, essentially, so there isn't really like a whole lot of there's not really any way to have these bolted in incorrectly, because you're not bolting anything in. The only thing you're really bolting in are these cups. But anyways, I'm rambling. But like, so look at this. So these, to me, this looks good. This is a weld here, and then this is fully seated in. That looks good. And then back here, the next one. Springs are on, fully seated in, right? But then you go back here and look at this massive gap. So I don't want to touch it because it's covered in anti-seize, but like this whole section right here is a gap. So this muffler is supposed to butt up against this right here. And I have it loosely fitted on here. Nothing's tight, like I said, nothing's tight. So this wiggles and whatnot. And there's a slotted bracket here, but it's pushed all the way forward. I could pull it back. I can just pull it right out. So I got to figure this out. This mid pipe, I guess you could say, it has to come up in order for this to fit properly, because it's not going to come back. I don't think. I mean, I could snap these springs on here and see, but I don't think it's going to move back at all. If it does, it's pulling these ones out of where they're supposed to be. So it's got to come up. So I have to mess with it a little bit. We'll see what I get.